In the late 19th century, as the sun set on the British Empire, a new era dawned, one marked by the insatiable hunger for territorial expansion. This was the scramble for Africa. The Congress of Berlin, held in 1884 to 1885, set the stage for this colonial drama. European powers, each yearning for a piece of Africa, gathered to carve up the continent like a ripe fruit, unaware of the bloodshed and upheaval that awaited. King Leopold II of Belgium, with his cunning charisma and ruthless ambition, masterminded the Belgian Congo, a territory larger than France. His pursuit of wealth, fueled by the demand for ivory and rubber, led to the brutal exploitation of the native population. Across the continent, King Lobengula of Matabeleland, a powerful ruler in what is now Zimbabwe, refused to cede his lands to the British. In 1893, British forces, led by Cecil Rhodes, launched the First Matabele War, resulting in the deaths of tens of thousands of Matabele people. In the German territories of Tanganyika and Cameroon, the indigenous populations faced similar oppression. German colonizers, driven by the desire for resources and economic gain, implemented policies of brutality and exploitation, leading to widespread resistance and rebellion. The scramble for Africa was not just a land grab, but a testament to the darker side of human nature. The pursuit of power and wealth led to the exploitation of millions, the destruction of cultures, and the creation of divisions that still haunt Africa today. However, within this darkness, there were glimmers of hope. In the face of overwhelming odds, African leaders like King Lobengula and the Ashanti King, Prempeh, fought to protect their lands and peoples. Their stories serve as a reminder that even in the face of adversity, resistance can lead to resilience and survival. The scramble for Africa was a brutal chapter in human history, a testament to the consequences of unchecked ambition and greed. Yet, it also serves as a cautionary tale, a reminder of the importance of respecting the rights and sovereignty of all peoples, and the dangers of allowing power and wealth to dictate our actions.